If you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe it and get the best tutorial on different learning topics. Also, hit bell icon to get notification on every upload so that you will not miss any of my video.
Hi, myself Shriyukta. Welcome you to my channel Alokik the Learning Space. There is no doubt in saying that we are now getting more addicted to the technology. Means for every now and then we use laptop for work. And if you are a frequent user of laptop, then you need to know the shortcut key well to complete your task fast. Keyboard shortcuts can save a lot of time. There are many shortcut keys which will help us to write, edit and format documents quickly and easily. So today we are going to learn some shortcut keys which will help to perform our common tasks like saving, selecting, formatting, etc. etc. So let's move to practical section. See, I divided the shortcut keys in 4 segments. First, for working with documents which help to perform the general task. Second, for moving around in a document. Third, for editing documents. Fourth, for selecting text in document. In this video, we will going to cover the first 2 segments. That is for working with documents which help to perform the general task. And the second one, moving around in a document. And the rest too, I am going to cover in next video. Fine. So let's start our work. Now our first segment is shortcut key for working with documents. Fine. So first shortcut key is Ctrl plus O to open an existing document. Means press Ctrl and O key both at the same time in order to open an existing document. Fine. Next, Ctrl plus N, that is Ctrl N for creating a new document. Here we are having an option to create a completely new document. We can select a blank document or a template. So we get a blank untitled document. Fine. Next, Ctrl S for saving the current document. Next, F12. With this, we can open the Save As dialog box, which will help us to save the document in a new folder or a copy with new file name. Next, Ctrl P. It helps us to open the print window, where you can do page setup to print the document or to create a PDF document. Next, Ctrl F. It helps us to open Find box, which helps us to find the word, enter the word in search box and get it find. Next, Ctrl H to open Find and Replace dialog box. Enter the word in Find Word column, then enter a new word in Replace column, which help you to replace in that word's place. If you want to replace in one single page, then select Replace button. And if you want to replace in the whole entire document, then hit Replace All button. Ctrl W. It is used to close the current documents. Once you press Ctrl W and if you haven't saved the document, then Word will ask whether you want to save it or not. If you want to save, just hit Save button or hit Don't Save if you don't want. Fine. Next, Ctrl Z. It is used for undo. It is the most common shortcut which is used to undo your last action. Next, Ctrl Y. It is used for redo. Means it is used to redo the last action. Fine. Here we have finished the first segment. Our next segment is shortcut key for moving around in a document. This section I want you to explain with practical. So I have divided my screen in 3 parts. Here you will see the list of shortcut keys which is used for moving around in a document. And here a sample data. This is a sample data. and I have used the on-screen keyboard, which will help you to make the things more clear. Fine, so let's start with our first shortcut key. First is arrow. It is used for moving the insertion point. So what I will do, I will keep my insertion point here. Okay, you will see I am using the left arrow key. So you will see that the cursor is moving in left side. Now I am using right arrow key. You will see the insertion point is moving in right direction. Now I am using the up arrow key. You will see my insertion point move in upward direction. See, I am using the down arrow key. You will see my insertion point moves down. Fine, with the help of this arrow key, we can move the insertion point. Now next, the next shortcut key is Control plus left and right arrow key. It is used to move one word at a time. So what I will do, I will keep my cursor, that is, I will keep my insertion point beside online word. Okay, now I will apply the shortcut key. Control and left arrow key. What happened? The insertion point get moved an entire word to a left side. Now I will do Control right arrow key. You will see now the insertion point get moved one word to right direction. Fine. Next, Control plus up and down arrow key. By using this shortcut key, it will move the insertion point one paragraph at a time. Okay, I am keeping my insertion point in second paragraph. Now I will use the shortcut key. Control up arrow key. Now it went to first paragraph, that is in upward direction. Now I will use Control down. My insertion point went to second paragraph. Okay. Now next is home. By using this shortcut key, we can move our insertion point to the beginning of the current line. Fine. So I will keep my insertion point here in second line. Fine. And now I will use the shortcut key. Home. It went to the beginning of the current line. Okay. Fine. Now next, Control plus home. What I will do, I will keep my insertion point to the second paragraph. Now I will use the shortcut key. Control and home. You will see now the insertion point get moved to the beginning of the document. Fine. Next, end. With the help of end key, we can move the insertion point to the end of the current line. So I will keep my insertion point here at the beginning or in between of this first line. Okay, now I will use shortcut key end. You will see it moves to the end of the current line. Fine. Now next, this is our last shortcut key, that is Control plus N. So for that, I will keep my insertion point at the very first line. Now I will apply the shortcut. Control plus N. By using this shortcut key, my insertion point went to the last of the document. Fine. Okay. Here we have finished our second segment, that is shortcut key for moving around in a document. Fine. In this video, we have covered the two segments of shortcut key, that is shortcut key for working with document which help to perform the general task. Second, shortcut key for moving around in a document. The rest too, that is shortcut key for editing document and for selecting text in document, we will cover in next lecture, that is in next video. So keep watching my channel. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe my channel to get more topics on Microsoft Word. Practice this shortcut key well, and if you have any doubt, please write in comment box.
If you like my video, please hit like button and share with your friend. And don't forget to subscribe my channel Alokik the Learning Space. Thank you.